Ever watched a kid with a piggy bank? Eyes wide with the magic of saving? That's where financial wisdom starts. Let's turn those pennies into powerful lessons with 7 creative ways to teach kids financial literacy. Way number 1, the Money Game Showdown. Imagine transforming your living room into the ultimate game show. Host a family board game night where Monopoly dollars rain down like confetti and the game of life spins tales of fortune. But wait, let's kick it up a notch. Craft your own DIY board game, starring your kiddo as the hero saving for a coveted toy fortress. It's not just play, it's a sneak attack of learning. Way number 2, the Savings Quest. Picture this, a grand quest where your brave little adventurers save gold coins and a glittering treasure chest, or, a piggy bank. Each coin is a step closer to their heart's desire, that super-duper mega rocket. And here's the clincher, a chart on the fridge tracking their heroic journey. When they finally buy that rocket, celebrate like they've just landed on the moon. Way number 3, Budget Bonanza. Let's turn this up a level with a mission impossible, a grocery store budget bonanza. Arm your mini agent with a shopping list and a wallet of cash. Play money will do. Watch them navigate the aisles like a pro, hunting deals and calculating totals. Way number 4, Chore Coins. Welcome to the real world, where chore coins are the hottest currency. Set up jobs around the house with price tags. Washing the car, sorting laundry. More coins. It's more than just earning. It's about learning the value of hard work and the sweet, sweet sound of coins clinking into their chore coin stash. Way number 5, Banker in Training. Next stop, the bank of your kiddo. Open a real bank account for your future tycoon and watch their eyes light up as they deposit their hard-earned cash. Teach them about the magic of interest, the thrill of watching their balance grow. It's not just a bank account, it's their ticket to the big leagues. Way number 6, Entrepreneur Extravaganza. Let's venture into the bustling world of business with an Entrepreneur Extravaganza. Have your kids set up their very own startup, be it a lemonade stand, a cookie empire, or a handcrafted bracelet. They'll learn the art of investment as they figure out the cost of lemons and sugar, and they'll experience the thrill of profit as neighbors line up for a taste of sweet success. It's business school for the sandbox crowd, and they'll eat it up, literally. Way number 7, the Future Fortune Time Capsule. Last but not the least, let's time travel with the Future Fortune Time Capsule. Have your little ones write down their financial goals and how they plan to achieve them. Then tuck them away in a time capsule or a decorated shoebox. Whether it's saving up for college, a car, or a colossal comic book collection, this exercise plants the seeds of long-term planning. When they open it years later, they'll be amazed at the financial wizards they've become and how far those dreams have carried them. Integrating these 7 creative ways to teach kids financial literacy gives your child more than money smarts. It builds their critical thinking and decision-making skills, gifting them with lifelong benefits. But before you set off on this financial education adventure with your children, remember to claim your exclusive free gifts on our website, haydenfoxmedia.com. These resources are crafted with love to support you on this exciting journey of parenthood.